Hi everybody, my name is Kyle and I am here today to show you another cool STEAM activity that you can make at home using the materials that you will find in this STEAM Take and Make activity kit from Scugog Public Library. Today we're going to make this adorable butterfly craft with bright lights for eyes. Wow, with eyes that bright, I think we should call this our Bright Bug. This is going to be a really fun activity to do together, and it's going to involve batteries and light bulbs and a lot of your creativity. So let's get started. Let's take a look at the materials that are inside of our STEAM activity kit, and let's set up our workstations. Okay, so in your Take and Make kits today, you should find a plastic disposable cup that kind of looks like this one. You should find some jeweled stickers that we will use for decorating. You'll find 3 black pipe cleaners, and this here is a template that we will use to make the wings for our butterfly. Now you'll also find this little bag of smaller parts that for now we can just set aside because we'll come back to that later. There are also a few things from home that you will need to supply for this craft. You will need to supply a pair of scissors, some tape. Now you can use any kind of tape for this project. I have invisible tape here or Scotch tape. You could also use masking tape or electrical tape or painter's tape. Any kind of tape will do. And you will also need some pencil crayons and colored markers because we're going to add a lot of color to this project. Perfect. Now that our workstations are set up, we're ready to assemble our Bright Bug. First, let's take a look at the plastic cup that I supplied you in your kit. Now, if you take a close look, you're going to notice that there are 2 holes punched into one side of it. And if I turn the cup, you'll see 3 holes on this side. And if I keep turning the cup, there's another 3 holes on the opposite side of that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my black pipe cleaners, I'm going to turn my cup upside down, and I'm just going to feed my pipe cleaner through one of those holes, all the way through to the other side, and through the corresponding hole on the other side. Just like that. And I'm going to do that again with my remaining pipe cleaners. Through one side, over to the other, and then through one side, and over to the other. Just like that. Now to help keep these pipe cleaners in place, I'm just going to bend the pipe cleaner up, like that. I'm going to do that for all the ends of my pipe cleaners. Bend, and bend on this side, and bend on this side, and bend on that side. And you can probably guess by looking at it that we have just made cute little legs for our insect. Look at that. All right. Now I thought it would be kind of fun if we put some freckles on our Bright Bug, and that's why I included these cool jeweled stickers. They just peel right off, and you can put them on your project anywhere that you want. Oops, let me try another one here. There we go. They like to just stick right on wherever you put them, just like that. Cool. Those are really fun, aren't they? And you can use as many of these as you want to. I'm just going to put 2 or 3 on here. Okay, so I've added 6 jeweled stickers to my Bright Bug, and I'm really liking the way that it's starting to sparkle. Okay, next we are going to take a look at that bag that we had set aside earlier, and in this bag we have several small parts. Let's just open that up and take a look at what's inside. There we go. So it looks like we have a couple little LED light bulbs, and this is just a regular paperclip right here. And this right here is a 3-volt battery that if I push through, it opens up the package and I can take this out. Now this is going to be the battery that we use to light the bright eyes of our Bright Bug. Let's take a look at these little light bulbs. These are called LED light bulbs, and you can see that at one end you have a little light bulb. It's very tiny, but it's going to give you a very bright light. And then coming out from that light bulb, you're going to see 2 thin pieces of metal These are called prongs, and I like to think of them as the legs of the light bulb. And the reason I say it's like legs is if you think of your battery as a saddle for a horse, to make this work, you're just going to put one leg over one side of the saddle and the other leg on the other side of the saddle. Oops, it didn't light up, which means I have it backwards. I'm just going to flip this around like that, and oh, look at that. A nice, bright, orange or red looking light. Now I'm just going to take my second light bulb and I'm going to add that into my battery. Oh, cool, look at that. So there we have two bright light bulbs. Now, these light bulbs sometimes don't like to stay into place. So what I'm going to do is take my tape here. I'm going to take off a nice generous piece of tape, and I'm going to use that to tape down my light bulbs. I'm just going to make sure that the batteries are in their place, nice and secure. Give it a good press. There we go. They're not going anywhere. Now this is the really tricky part of the craft. We have to attach these light bulbs into the underside of our cup because they're going to be the glowing eyes that come out from this part of the cup. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a nice long piece of tape here and I'm going to tape one end so that it's kind of like that. And then I'll take my cup and turn it upside down. I hope you can see this. And I'm going to try to line my light bulbs up with the holes that are in the cup. Kind of like that. See what I'm doing? And then if I press my tape into place, there we go, it should stay there. And just to be extra careful with this, I'm going to take another piece of tape and carefully tape it down on the inside of the cup, like that. And try to get those light bulbs to line up so that if we turn it around, oh, look at that. He has glowing red eyes. Very cool. Now let's figure out what to do with this paperclip. It's just a regular paperclip that you can find lying around home. But for our project, if you look on the back side of your cup, you're going to see a little slot that you can slide your paperclip into, just like that. And this is going to come in handy for when we attach the wings to our butterfly. Next, we're going to decorate the wings of our butterfly. Now, this is the part of the craft where you can be as creative and colorful as you want to. Use your markers or colored pencils to make designs or patterns or anything that you want. Make it unique to you. Maybe your wings have squares and circles on them. Maybe your wings are colored entirely in black. Maybe your wings have rainbows or words or numbers on them. Whatever you do is going to be beautiful. Next, I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to very carefully cut around the edges of my wings. Perfect. And to attach them to our bright bug, we're just going to turn our cup around, and this is where the paperclip comes in handy. Very simple. We just take our wings and slide it right into the paperclip, just like that. So that when we turn it around, oh, how awesome is that? Now my bright bug isn't quite finished yet. I'm going to take my black marker and I'm going to give my bright bug some eyebrows. And I also think my bright bug needs a nice big happy smile. There we go. Look at that. And there we go. We've made our very own bright bug with glowing eyes, a smiling face, and brightly colored wings. You know, the cool thing about these light bulbs is they don't use very much electricity, so you may actually find that your bright bug stays bright for days and days and days. Now I'm curious to know how long your bright bug stays bright. Why don't you let me know in the comments below how many days your light bulbs last? Well, thank you for joining me today, everyone. I hope you've had some fun with your STEAM activity kit from Scugog Public Library. I'll have another kit ready for you next month. Join me then for some more STEAM fun. Bye!